Zintek S.r.l. of Venezia Porto Marghera is the only Italian manufacturer of titanium zinc Zintek laminate for architecture. The company is part of the Cordofin Group, a private holding operating in the industrial, real estate and financial field, and it is a reference point for the construction of zinc-titanium Zintek cladding, facades and sheet metal suitable for any context, from new projects to preservation and restoration. The story of Zintek began in Porto Marghera in 1936 with the creation of a factory for the refining and production of zinc that became one of the most important international plants in the non-ferrous metallurgical sector. After the damage suffered during the Second World War, the factory was rebuilt and production resumed in the early 1950s with a cutting-edge work culture, operational 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and an export system ready to conquer new markets. In the 1980s, the factory began producing a new zinc-copper-titanium alloy called Zintek. In 1997, it was bought by the Cordofin Group that, in 2003, decided to create an industrial and application chain for Zintek, the purpose of which was to follow all the phases of production, design and sale. Zintek S.r.l. emerged and the business became production. Today, with a factory extending over an area of 86,000 square meters, the company boasts a unique industrial application chain that ranges from the fusion of zinc to rolling, pre-weathering and colouring treatments, then following the laminate from sale to implementation. It offers free design consultancy, collaboration regarding the definition of specifications and budgets, and it organises training courses for installers and tinsmiths at the Internal School of Tinsmithery, as well as meetings and events for architects. Zintek is a high-quality zinc-copper-titanium alloy used for cladding, facades and sheet metal. It is a natural, ecological and recyclable material which is not affected by temperature variations after processing and laying. It is non-flammable, it is resistant to ultraviolet rays and does not suffer wind erosion. All these features that make it maintenance-free. When exposed to the action of atmospheric agents, it is covered with a self-protective layer that remains stable over time, giving it a very long life. Thanks to its excellent workability and weldability, it allows perfect adherence to any architectural profile. 3 variants of Zintek laminate are offered: natural, pre-weathered and pigmented. The pigmented variant, the Coloured Ones series, Mediterranean blue, lagoon green, antique red, natural earth brown and graphite black, a refined colour palette that lends itself to a wide variety of applications, from cladding to interior design. Zintek has 2 souls, an architectural soul and a business one. Its architectural soul is expressed in the numerous projects it has followed, from small-scale interventions to the redevelopment of entire neighbourhoods. Among the main works created with Zintek, there is the rebirth of the Le Albere district in Trento, designed by the Renzo Piano Building Workshop. The Unicredit Pavilion, designed by Michele Di Lucchi in Porta Nuova, Garibaldi, Milan. The new headquarters of Persiman, also in Milan, in the Bicocca area, designed by Maurizio Varata, and the Auxological San Luca Hospital, also in the Lombardy capital, designed by Tobia Marcotti. The Divinas Village, headquarters of Divinas in Parma, designed by Matteo Tun and Luca Colombo. Particularly prestigious is the collaboration with the architect Sean Godsall for the construction of one of the 12 chapels of the Padiglione Santa Sede, Holy See Pavilion, at the 2018 Venice Biennial of Architecture. Its business soul is what drives Zintek to open up to new markets. Since January 2018, the company has been the only business point of reference for all the zinc laminates produced by the Cordafin Group, and it is set off on a journey of internationalization, making it a protagonist in Europe, Asia and America, with the opening of a showroom in Amsterdam and one in Shanghai. Furthermore, in large-scale works, the company proposes itself as a general contractor for the envelope part, embracing the project in its entirety and becoming its interpreter in all stages, from fulfillment of the building project, laying of the material, to the celebration of the work through dedicated events and the publication of highly specialized photographic books. Zintek's strength is therefore its ability to bring together tradition and innovation in a winning combination, offering highly competitive services and a product that brings value to every project. In fact, choosing Zintek laminate means recognizing the material's unique expressive style, and thanks to this, transmitting a valuable message that lasts over time. It is the material that takes shape and becomes architecture.